What is going on, you guys? Today I am gonna upgrade this Metabo 21-degree cordless nailer. I have Metabo tools. I got a Metabo nail gun. The only downfall is you can only fit one strip of nails. If you have this, you know this, and it's really annoying because, you know, most air nailers hold 2 strips, and this you're constantly reloading. So they finally came out with an extended magazine for this. I'm gonna put it on. I'll put a link down below for the Amazon link. I think I paid like around $100 for this. So let's see how long this takes. All right, guys, pretty simple. 2 bolts on top, and then one here. You put this new arm on, and it kind of just changes the position. But yeah, it's nice and tight. They got thread locker on all the new bolts. Let's see how it rocks. Multiple clips right there. Let's see if she ships. Oh man, this thing I think is gonna be a game changer, and it's gonna be way nicer of a gun to use with multiple magazines. You just rock through and not worry about constantly reloading. So drop down below, check out that link. Make sure you like and subscribe. Doing the whole build in this house. Love to have you. Overall, I've been using this for about a couple weeks now, and I love it. It's nice, especially creating content, to not have the generator running, and I could just run this. Not a lot of background noise, so that's definitely nice. One thing that I found kind of weird about it is when, I think when your magazine gets a little bit lower like this, let's see if we can pull it down here, and if you place it down on the ground on a flat surface, you see it right there. So it just basically just hit the release. So sometimes it will release if you lay it on this side. So other than that, no real complaints.